You're not talking?
Okay guys, so we're back with another video, and we're going to unbox. From the last video we told you, if you were listening, we're going to unbox the Playpen. Now, as I did in the last video, I am not going to use any instructions. I am going to set this up without any instructions again. Because why? I'm a superstar, alright? So, let's dive in. So if you can just come a little closer, let me show. Give Wally a little slow motion pulling it out. Wow, it's heavy. Alright guys, so it looks like it's in a nice bag. Okay, so it's easy to travel with. It's a little heavy, not too heavy, but have a little weight to it. So that means it got some stuff inside, some goodies. So it's supposed to be a blue, but I'm not sure if it's like this is this blue here, everything, but I said it's a blue. Alright, oh my, it's a very light blue. It's seems like it's a, what was that color? Is it cayenne or cyan or cayenne? Yeah, I love it, it's nice. Right. So as you can see here guys, we have to go on the ground with this one very early because it's a bit low. So it seems you have a nice casing, straps holding it together. So we're gonna start by taking out the straps here. And this looks like it's like a bed. The bed cover. The manual. I'm not going to use a manual, but I'm going to just get it. I think I left it in the box. I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to keep it close by. But I'm not going to use it. Why? Because as I said, I'm a superstar. Right. So guys, I'm going to just turn it around because it seems like it has some stuff on the inside. Let's see what's here. And this seems to be some, it looks like this is for like the changing tray maybe. This is for something. Maybe I think it looks like for the inside of the bed, like the straps. And this should be the mosquito net, and yeah, this is a mosquito net and a little hanging toys here, as you can see. What else do we have? Okay, so it seems like we have the frame. We have the frames here, the rods. The frames. And this looks like it basically. So looks like you had a stuff opening up to do. It looks pretty big. Right, so it seems like you open it up and you spread it out. Seems to have like a center support system here. Just stretch it out as much as we can. I'm gonna do it this way. So it's pretty clear. So they said here, hold up sides until it's locked into position. Push down the side, so you have to lock it in position even before. Lock it in position before you push it down. So guys, we're going to try this over. I'm just going to break it down. You just switch. Right. So I'm going to try this side first. Yeah, that looks to be like it, and then push it down. Okay, so figure it out.
With the manual.
Guys, when you're doing this thing, right? I mean, yes, I'm joking around. I probably could look at the manual and get it done properly faster. But where's the fun in that, right? We can just try to do it for ourselves. And the fun is trying to figure it out. And if you can, then you look at the manual. You know you all do this, right? So don't even play. Don't even play with me. Especially, it's very big. It's spacious. We have a few components and so on to add, and I don't want to play a superhero. So it seems like the second step to open. So we need to the second layer we have to put in now. So it seems like you have some stuff that needs to clamp in that the bed will be rested upon. You seem like you have to build some stuff. What do you have to build? Where do you have to put it? I don't even know. And it doesn't seem to have this part in it. I don't know what these rods are for and where to go. How to put it, where to put it, why to put it. The changing table. Push it down. Oh my god!
Let me show you how it's done.
No.
No what? Then you put it like something like this.
Alright, so
I got to be involved in everything, guys.
but there's so the rods, I think it goes along these. The rods probably go in something in this.
Yes.
Right? So this is like for the inside. So I guess it
Wait.
goes. Okay, so let's put it this.
So you have to fit the two tubes together.
This one is giving me a little bit of technical difficulties. This fan is not locking in as it should. So guys, this is a changing cable. We just latch it on. I think I put it on right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No?
Okay. This have these latches on the inside.
Yeah, but I have to put the net first.
The net
Yeah.
on the
Look
window.
at it.
The bed not going in?
Yeah, but you're putting the net thing first.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because this looks like it's latching into the bottom. You have some stuff in the bottom that you latch it onto. Pass it through and have something.
Does the net thing have space in it to pass it through?
No, you take this one though.
Let me see the net.
Oh, the net probably, yeah. The net look like you have something for the rod.
This is all you got in the...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes guys, that's all I got in the manual, so trying my best. Show them the manual so they'll see what we got. So of course, this must have gone to something, some type of rod system, or maybe, we will figure it out. I think I'll put on it.
What do you mean?
I got to start putting.
So they didn't click?
No, it clicked, but I don't know if like how to put it there.
Okay, let me do that off camera. Let me just show them this is what we have now. And stay tuned for the setup of the room to see the finished crib.
Okay.
Come.
Well, what is it?
What I just said.
What? What is it?
This is just the main composure of the crib. And stay tuned to see the full setup of the crib.
Okay guys, so alright guys, so this is the main composure. Okay guys, so this is the main composure of how the playpen / crib is going to look. And stay tuned to see the finished product. Stay pretty, stay lady.
You want to come and just do around it?
Okay.
And let me see. Come on. Just film how it looks. And you can take your phone out, stop it and take your phone out.